This is Dave McCain with the Right Tree Genealogy, and I'm doing a quick video on FTDNA as an admin, some of the things that come up about the summer sale and a few other notes. So as a project member, you still have to give access to your project admin to upgrade your kit. If you don't give them the full access, which not everybody wants to do that, you'll have to give permission from your primary email to your project admin in order for them to be able to do the upgrade. Now we can still, as this note says here, we can still ask and inquire to see if a kit is valid to be updated, but we still can't do anything with the kit until you give us either the advanced access or send the permission and copy us on it to Family Tree DNA to say, yeah, we're allowed to do this update. Second thing I want to point out is about the Big Y 700. It's $50 off of the regular pricing as of right now. Now it's possible if you're a member of projects like mine, for instance, if it's a key upgrade or a key new tester, we help more than that. Another one for all those upgraders, and we have a lot of people in our project and a lot of kits out there that need to be upgraded at some point. Well, these are the prices you get from Y12 to Big Y 700. So the next thing I want to come up with here is this is an important factor as of the week of July the 28th. So if the standard time is 6 to 10 weeks, they're running a little later now. And at the end of this week, the week I'm producing this, which is in August the 4th, 5th week, this will probably change over here to another date time frame. But always remember, you're not going to get the information probably within the first 3 months for a Big Y test. So when a kit is submitted and in the hands of the test house, FTDNA in this case, it's still going to be 3 to 6 weeks before you even get all your low-level STRs completed. And then on top of that, expect it to be another 8 weeks on top of that original number. Again, this was a quick update video just to show what's out on the website now for FTDNA. Hopefully this is beneficial to anyone that sees this. When you join a project, or to join a project, if you like your limited access, which is okay, just remember you're going to have to give your admin a permission slip in order to upgrade your kit to Big Y, which is what we all would like to see you get done. Let's continue learning together.